That mbe control na bage. That ya yega tara parenterol do sai. Nga mbe control na bage that. Yato do mandin bron sinanga kacha inshallah rabbi. Yo, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minas shaitan rajim. Good afternoon, everyone. Mbe mobe kontonal tolnal konton di mala. Nyimu Gambia programme le tibi. Ndefana mina kachala na jero to minketa Dr. Mohamed Tangara la abe positiono mi nyini kan at the Commonwealth. Mina la pruning badi Gambian call se o ko nyin kacha. Bao Commonwealth is a big organization. Mi ya lonko banko min bebi ja tambita banku tallulo lale. Josi ke seydi mbadi mbe kontona bage. So mina la pruning mole o kacha nte fanan na jero muminti. Mina ni mole o kacha. Bari follow nse nawulu la fulolu tentu. Nse duwe fanan bao bi imantara dunia kono be duale bake fo ala sinemo nin kafaro ke ebe daming ala si je fisiandi ibo dulati ala se so arjanna firdauso le nin sawande fure to malu be yo mbe duala fanan bawo ngaje alpha ba sisla mbe konton na bage ngaye ko mbafole congratulation ila bola mari gisul kan gisul muy la molti de mbe duala fanan na alpha ba mi yalon ka banta Italy min keta sifo kante kundala kalifoti ngaje a beleta tara tamola Italy kama hani sasa bari a beleta be duala e fo ala sinemo nin kafaro ganin sawante fure tomal be Dr. Lamin Mane mbe kondo na bage borom reading mbe duala e fo ala sinemo nin kafaro ganin sawante fure tomal be yo mbe duala fanan na lonna ba min keta bunjeng min keta bunjenti ala mbe duala e fo ala sinemo nin kafaro kala dinkeo a dinkeba Samsidin Jeng ngaje ni watin kono wole findita ndesan aka balo man diala sasata akorita atata lopitano to man jararo sotono je inata fay ko nyantata jararo la bantale o kamoy bankol milu be kan bankol nyil man sobe ya e kamoy banko kanko banko dingol nyanta finti la banko kan kate jara banta sobe ya to banko kan kadi kate jara banko min kan e ka budgetole londi la Ministry of Health ndel fanal dun ka budgetole londi na Ministry of Health bari ntel la banko kan ni sabe to naye may ka fo nyanta tale jara la bantale wo bantala bankol sa nene buka woluma e koy nyanta tale jara la Gambia so Gambia nyanda fanjube la andu wolum bankoleti Gambia ma fan sum bankoti so benta yalon bari mbe duala Samsidin Jeye fo ala se ala jara roñen sono ya momo ya no isa makoy no ala makoy man Samsidine Jeng mate long nga famale long be Gambia be sontale ko bunjeng ma foda a nyon kawandi la man soto Gambia barinte nga minulu long nga minje mamira mobe je mi ya lon ko Gambianul ka hame ka lamoy min tambita bunjenga so ni wodingo sasata ni bunjembe baluring ate sonna dingo ye nyinke abala kata ko be kala la ta dingo jara because mbe nga kala mutala ko bunjeng ngamoy hani sada ni ba sambalaya e ko molka yolele la sada landi je ni boroyta because aka duyele asafo ko asamba ya di badin dola tombi wobe batarin ne molo ama hadum ni bunjang hadum etanu bunjang lebe tarala suoko million lebe tarala account toto bari alhamdulillah oto ni momo sa dingo fanam ma koy no momo sa dingo ma koy no ala ma koy asembo be momo la. Yes, it's a mentor to everyone, Sisla, definitely. Bunjeng. So ni momo sa dingo makoy no dukara la makoy. So mbe duala ifo ala sala jata kende afana. Asa murunda kan. Ala sa su jata sahola. Yo, mbal be konton na altel mil bebe jubero la jang. Fatu jabi domor la felenta nata mba konton na nala domoro be. Mama Job, my humble brother, mbe kontona bake. Mama Jawara of Sweden, mbe kontona. And I'll tell me baby jubero raja. Okay. Gambia. Ni ndifata from opinions dorong. What we say, yeah, why you are following this man, because you hate him, because you are not in the same political party, you are not in the same that, you are not in the same that. This is not about politics. This is about now. We're going to talk about somebody who want to take up a responsibility that we both share. The Commonwealth. The Commonwealth. Mobe Alonko Commonwealth has about, I think, 54 countries. 54 countries. But let me find out, because Nkala vile nimbeko. Mommy, Isaac. Okay. Sisla, Adingo, I think if you go to Mankajang Daily la site, you will see the number, the telephone number there. I know you are very keen of helping people, Sisla. God will definitely bless you, honestly. But thank you for that. Okay. Commonwealth is about 54 countries. Yes, 54 countries. And no, it's okay. Commonwealth is about 54 countries. So Commonwealth be Dr. Tangara is looking to be the Secretary General of Commonwealth. He is looking to be the Secretary General of Commonwealth. Ngaja diamo siata Gambia bake. Solo fati na humble brother in Germany mbe konton. No, 56 member states. Sisla, you are very close to it. 56 member states. Yes. Commonwealth comprises of 56 member states. So be Dr. Tangara and other people be wole nyining kang to be the secretary. I think one candidate is a Ghanaian, and the other one Butum Mawo Long, but I'll find it out. So a lot of Gambians are talking about it because it's a hot burning issue, because Commonwealth is so important to Gambian people. Number one, the most important thing, Gambian also, it is a key importance for Gambian people to be in the Commonwealth. Because one, we were colonized by the British. Most of the colony countries by the British are members of the Commonwealth. But the most advantageous thing for Gambian is that if a Gambian citizen travel to England, two candidates from Ghana, okay. Thank you very much, Sisla. Gambian citizens in England could join the British Army. This is through Commonwealth Protocol, which is an advantage to Gambians. Because Mobe Aloneko, if you travel to abroad, sometimes Purukela status regularized is not an easy thing. So Commonwealth advantage the Gambia Lale. Gambia could do that. So now Tangara is looking to be the Secretary General of that Commonwealth. If Tangara is Dr. Sidat Job, every Gambian will support him. Because what is the problem here is the moral issue, moral and ethical issue. Because Commonwealth is so important, and this organization, being a Secretary General, Moro Palaschahaninte, Andung, it is about the country. It is about the country. Officer Ambe Kondona Bage, Angela Jarambe Kondona, Tako Kani, etamunna musol, the Kani Kunankol Munna musol. Na first lady to Madam Kani said lady, yeah, Madam Kani lo Marta na first lady. So etamunna Jawar lady. Tako. So Kani Kundankol nak definitely I'll tell Kai mom here. Ni mba folale ni bachilolu milman keo soto e muso soto halibor Kani Kunda ka futuo mutalde definitely. So one, the problem here is Tangara. If Tangara is Sidat Job, every Gambian will celebrate Tangara. Who is Tangara? Momodu Tangara is the current Foreign Affairs Minister of the Republic of Gambia, who said he doesn't want to talk to any media. He ignores media. He don't like talking to media. And his job, it is part of it to talk to the media. Momodu Tangara was an ambassador during the brutal dictatorship. Ngo, amanke ko momin beni Yaya Jammeh dokuoke. Emanke mo kendoti. Mo kendol bijele milni Yaya Jammeh dokuoke. Because mo kendo dolu, birini Yaya Jammeh be dokuola, they try their best pour ka Gambia defend ka make sure ko Yaya falling. But biri Yaya manke no doli ye fonyola mansa kundale dol resigned. People like Sidat Job. But did Tangara resign? Nte, I'm going to talk about my honest mind about it, because if Tangara is looking to be the Secretary General of Commonwealth, every Gambian should stood by him. Normally, every Gambian should stood by him and then support him morally. And if any support that a Gambian could give, should give it to him. But do Tangara have that morality to be in that position? This is the question of the day. Because, number one, Dr. Sidat Job, he also worked with a brutal dictator. But Mobe Ajeleko, Dr. Sidat Job, biring aning Yaya Jammeh be dokola, aya make sure ko ate mantara dokola Yaya Jammeh abe dokola Gambia le. And Dr. Sidat Job resigned from Yaya Jamme's government. Biri Yaya Jamme went to Dr. Sidat Job's domain to penetrate unlawfully, unconstitutionally. Dr. Sidat Job yaje ko no, imante respect, itente kela ministry, ite kaneke function ko, muna na Tangara mawoki. Tangara, today you are on a hot seat because you want the support of every Gambian. Nyimanke NPP kuti, nyimanke political kuti. Tangara don't have the moral authority. Tangara milota anin Gambian kole nyo banning. Yaya Jammeh kola dictator. Tangara went all around the world to support Yaya Jammeh's dictatorship. So Ntema Mira Tangara, even if he has the qualification, but the moral aspect of it, Tangara is not fit for that position. I am totally with Madi Jobate in this. Fonga morality jube. Tangara ndey tafa sose albea remember at the TRRC. Tangara went to Mali. Puruka Malianolu ke manipulate to extradite ndey tafa sose to Hanover ndey tafa sose to a brutal dictator to kill her. Tangara did all these things. Be what Tangara, wale findita kalafta. Why we will support Ghanaian before Tangara? Man Ghanaian koning mala record long. I'm not supporting him. But Gambia should have put a better candidate. Imagine na political affiliation jubela. Ninyim position on the Gambia interest tala. They would have even select Dr. Sidat Job. Near Dr. Sidat Job select no. Be benim problem mo mimbe kono nyindia mo mimbe be siara atakela. Atakela. Every Gambian will support Dr. Sidat Job. And outside world, wale fango important nyinto. Gambia important alde. Ntelmil bebe diamola, we are just saying our opinion. It doesn't reach the headquarters of Commonwealth. But Madi Jobate, ye petition means safe. Madi Jobate petition means safe. Thank you very much, Maka. Madi Jobate petition means safe has reached the secretary. The current secretary general is Paul Kigami. Yes, people will say, Paul Kigami is a dictator. But mbana folale munatina, Angleterre even lobby for Paul Kigami. Dalila Jumala atina Angleterre lobby tanu Paul Kigami. Because the England people want to repatriate the asylum seekers to what is the country's name? Rwanda. So they lobby for Paul Kigami. Yalong dunia la geopolitical system politiko muku kendoleti. But politiko akaku kurunjamale fanam fudi. Mi yalonko ibukawo fo mwoliye. Paul Kigami, yes, is a brutal dictator. Is a dictator. Bari alinga jubede Rwanda mune ketaje. Ethnic classes like keta Rwanda. The Hutus and the Tutsis. Sembo wartaje bake. Si kelo like keta Rwanda. So Paul Kigami nata wole kono. But Paul Kigami being a dictator, although Nama agree ko belade because this Rwanda accepting asylum seekers from UK, people don't accept that. But Paul Kigami apologized to his nation, and he proved to himself that not dictatorship minga kala. It is for the betterment of the country. I want our country people to enjoy every single cake of that nation. It is like Nico Muhammad Gaddafi mu dictatority. But Muhammad Gaddafi la dictatorship and in Joe Biden, Jumale Fisiat. Joe Biden haina supporting Israel, killing Palestinians. England, iko manke dictator. But England is supporting Israel, killing Palestinians. England and America baby lari nyokan, supporting Ukraine, fighting Russia. Nko, munat na England ni Ukraine, England ni America, ite wo kelo banna Ukraine because wo kelo manke Ukraine advantage ti. Amanke advantage. So this democracy, we need to be careful. Nka democracy mingo. Sometimes the people come through dictatorship, but ni nata, they turn to be a better leader. Mbe alo ko coup d'etat mam betea. Barbi Burkina Faso kol haina ila banku dingul wala ka findi ka sojaro defend, not even the army. If only ka findi ka sojaro defend, jo mbe kontrona bag. So sometimes dictator dol beje e ka faline for the advantage of the country. But woman yanatina la moye dictatorship justifying the day. Because it's not civilized. It's not civilized at all. So, Dr. Tangara, he was with Yaya Jammeh for Yaya Jammeh the last day in the office. And anenema condemn. Alinkana nyina. Yes, niya for is afuko but the legality. Because there is no court, me Dr. Tangara and Died Kaitandiko, he was supporting, aiding and abetting the dictator. But we have seen it. It is clear. Ni Yaya Jammeh tata kitiola, because Yaya Jammeh amanda kitila dulato follow. Ni Yaya Jammeh tata kitiola. Maybe it might come Kaitandiko, oh, in fact, Dr. Tangara tata nyimbankol kane purka Yaya Jammeh nyandi. And we have seen it in America. Dr. Tangara banindro ning alafta kelo fankela Yaya Jammeh. A brutal dictator. Just for Gambian to come out and then express their fundamental human rights. Tangara said, no, you shouldn't do that. So, Madi Jobari is at point on this. Although I don't agree all with Madi sometimes, but Madi is right on this. Because Madi Fanamu Moleti, if he doesn't bring any idea, he doesn't want to support anybody, any other person's idea. So, wala na Madi, you see today, people are supporting you. Wala na nini mol discuss ta pru bankola kuola. And we are ka kela banko e advantage tile. Accept it from them, ini move on. But because nitema idea bondirek, you don't want to join any other person. Yaje ni momi alongo mafuko afana muo moleti momi alongo he just want to be at the top. No. But Madi, at least he have some principles. He have some principles. So which is very, very respectful. Gambia government bring all interest ta kanyum Commonwealth Palace soto. Alinyanta jubero le kela bage. Alkana jube fanko nyimu opposition no nyimu fankelati. No. Ali mol jube. Lawyer Dabo would have been a very good candidate. Because one Lawyer Dabo will campaign is that after the dictatorship, I brought Gambia back to the Commonwealth. And Dr. Tangara, inila doctorate degree lom, Yaya Jammeh eta dokola. You would have think very fast. For any dictator nyantaka doko keleba. Yes, is it dictator join no le na doko ke purka bondi dictator sipoto kalondi tonyaka. Na make ye fonyala mansakunda, but you never did it. So Dr. Tangara, any Yaya doko kele up to the last minute, Imar resign and we nenema Yaya condemn. And we left a illegal extradition or killer to hand over somebody to a brutal dictator, which is very sad. Now today, you need the blessings and the prayers of Gambian people. Not every Gambian. Ni Gambian call ya mutako. Alin son dingo ben call kan na call. Hello? Roundabout do. Ebe tilin na the straight. Come in kala sa do. Ha, ebe tala the straight for at the end coming time ebe ta kan shopping center ma fon lo. Ya lo bitiko nyimbe on the right, on the left. I'm sorry. So the government, what they should do is that there are seasoned diplomats in Gambia. Minuli Alongo, some are not serving. Nko any see that job, ni atra Gambia see that job le put to this position. Maybe Commonwealth Bankol Fangolu. Many countries will support Sidat Job. Because Sidat Job is a man of principle. He has the morale. He has the ethics. And the mota follow Sidat Job enable Yaya Jammeh. Sidat Job was a foreign minister, Mia Lonko. He used to take a firm, strong positions against Yaya Jammeh decisions. And then amanke kwa aka mabole, aka file. Yes, greeting Lami. So Dr. Sidat Job would have been a better candidate, not Tangara. Tangara lota jane. Ako ateka media soul ake ignore. Under Tangara's belt, ala jube na foreign service fango benyami. Gambia la foreign service. Under Tangara's belt. Gambian ambassador na la deputy Kele Baleke in Cuba. Gambian foreign service members in America. For America have to persona non grata kadila. Okay, I'm greeting you too and your family. So, in Cuba, in Mauritania, yene mira kote the diplomatic passport scandal. The diplomatic passport scandal. Dr. Tangara, how many times lomu under Dr. Tangara, the foreign office kafinti eka false statement odi about our migrants minulia lonko ebe in this Sulabankolukan. They are not helping them. Wolumanke Commonwealth la kutinak. Barimbe Dr. Tangara la under his belt. Dr. Tangara la effort towards Gambian people. Aliamra ni Dr. Tangara Tata Commonwealth. What about ni Dr. Tangara Tata Commonwealth fango saying he doesn't want to fight for Gambians to join in the British Army? Maybe at all Kenola. Barinka unka Dr. Tangara la kebaro le dol falia jang minuli alonko. It doesn't match with Gambian mentalities. alin kakao ke kafo danko drongo ha pour Gambia no e taraje no ni Dr. Tangara tarataje asikeno abe Gambia la nya jawle bondila because Dr. Tangara don't have that good habit among afango wafu nyama pour ka yitande so kafo danko drongo he is a Gambian, so we Gambians need to support him. Nimima support. Why you don't support him? Iba hasidia kan. Yalo Gambian ol wadol ntelu. Na sometimes na modo la miranya is disappointing. But ngawo je mol minula people like Fatou Camara. Fatou Camara is like that. Abe Dr. Tangara support lale. Because Fatou Camara man sakunda ko ta million le dila la jang ala radio la. Puriye munke puriye mansa kundala to di maf fole manke mbe nyaawo je jan so ni Fatou Camara findida jumala ya lonko whether she is even looking for a diplomatic passport ni nyim fa sa American passport or bente buluba wala Japanese passport or bente buluba diplomatic passport or a role ni American passport or a role manke kilenti de diplomatic passport, or you have a more recognition, more privileges. So I don't think putting Dr. Tangara is wise for Gambian government. Yes, in terms of credential, maybe he might be qualified. I'm doing fine, Brother Sona. I'm doing very good, thank you. In terms of credential, he might be super good. But he needs a track record, Jube. Commonwealth man important Gambia today. Intelia. Gambia is more important. But Gambia more killing a select, which we have nothing to do. Ni president kongate leta, it will stand. Momam kunoji. But niaje molbe nyindo voice out la. Laftale Gambian no eke Secretary General de. But it has to be a Gambian who has ethics and moral. But niye Tangara bila record le be batandikan. Tangara personally might be a good person. Nte mahalong asot. He might be a good person. But the record he have, this is what is haunting him today. This is what is haunting him today. So keksane wolu minul ka findi ko ka Tangara le support pour Tangara e nananje bi keksane ni a lawyer double nominate he will go against it ni a lawyer double nominate no he will go against it and that a fem follow no why he against lawyer double but keksane is dining and whining mo be yaji jana ni mbol katale. So this is how I don't say ko ika fenne dealer or whatsoever. Thank you, officer. We need a clean record person to represent Gambia outside. Mi ya lonko ni atra ko de Adama Barole sembo soto kamari select tombi no binte ni wuri unkela ko because mo be balo nalko Adama o min diata telo mi ate fasa ka wala select. Thank you. Thank you. So, if Tangara supported a dictator without going against anything that the dictator did, Muneba Tinan la sign Commonwealth Nata found they wanted to take an action against Africa because Tangara not be positional. Tangara don't see anything. Tangara is positional. Me alongo it will be a disadvantage to Africa. Tangara will support it because he want to remain in that position. The graveyard boy, yes. So my opinion is I am strongly supporting Madi Jobate's petition. We have to look into this critically because no Gambian want Yaya Jammeh to be a president. No Gambian want Edward Singate to be a vice president. Ni foya mirako ni ata Gambian wali la wisoto. For let them select iko ilafta fenno mi alonko dunia will have to vote iko be Fabakary Tombong Jatta kila je wala be Sidi Njie kila je. The same Gambians will come out and then condemn it because these people are not clean. But barole ta ye seleka ye impose mol kundo mol man kuno je mol diam da foi batata. Mol diam da foi batata. Even Halifa Sallah. Ni baro Halifa Sallah ni Gambia government go okay. Mbe Halifa Sallah tala the Gambia government ya support. Many people will support him. Many people will support him. In the political affiliation jubela. But Tangara don't have that morality. Today you think, what is Ndeye Tafa Sose going to think about Commonwealth if Tangara becomes the Secretary General? Yes, it's Afugo Avar Ndeye Tafa Sose my important. She is important. She is very important. Ngamira human right violation on Miliketa in Rohingya. Gambia government took that to this ICC court. Ko human right violation on Leketa o Bangkoka. But human right violation of Gambia government cannot take step to fight against their own human right violation. Everything is brushed under the carpet. So Gambia okay, yamere munatne ye okay loke no Rohingya. Oto Gambia government ye Rohingya people lela life value Gambian old. So Barrow government juba I muneke to the white paper. Where are those junglers who were killing and maiming Gambians? Eka Gambian ul kungula mbuso kono ke kamul kati. Alkonga nyina wala we just move forward. Nkana wol je official kono. I mean, we don't have to. Alunga ethics jube demanding. Ni ethics man kaltel ya fendi. Bari in nimol mili denta nyin kafola wolka ethics ni moral jubele. In fact, Gambia B, Dunia be jele kan Gambia. If Gambia could send Dr. Tangara to represent them, to be their candidate, Dunia be jele kan tellal. After Gambia, Dunia mole Dr. Tangara la record long towards supporting a brutal dictator. One bati nandan telbe Dr. Tangara support la. Alin kana nyim politicize. Let him withdraw his candidature. If Gambia could put another person, they put near the deadline on Tambila. But Tangara, Gambian don't want Tangara to represent them because of our track record. It's not about politics. Yes, Josie K. Seli. Good evening. So Tangara is not fit for that position. Well, if Tangara is in that job today, every Gambian will support him. Yes, he physically fought for a dictator. I'll remember ko. Banku Dingul left fata under the dictatorship of Yaya Jammeh. Barbi model kamune kela rizindi. Why they will deny Tangara this and he become a minister in the Gambia. Fontel like a minister select Gambia. For ministers will vote le Gambia. Ngamirang mbe sonta ko executive president lebe molbu. That president can do anything he wants. Faman Sidi Njie ke deputy speaker. Which Gambian with your right sense before Sidi Njie will be the deputy speaker? Jumale found in Mira. Jumale ne Mira. But Adama ka Gambian will provoke le. Ake provoke le. He should have selected somebody. There are a lot of seasoned diplomats. Minule alongo esenyintieno. Anumbenga alongo sidadu. Ali Adama jube fama fatu bomben suda ke mole High Commissioner to UK. That fat bomb Ben Suda mi alonko. Abe ya Jammeh defend kan anyhow. Wala na ni mol ka foko. esafal tenide esafal wole fatu bomben suda protect pura kanana commissioner TRRC because ala kebal ado kunyol aterlo andi diata hani esafal fa onake the president of the Gambia fatu bomben suda might get a great position on that esafal. And the same SFL is not happy with the TRRC report. And on that TRRC report, Mune was Samana, because there are people who supported the dictator before the TRRC will come, because there are things milketa wala atina TRRC na. So all milio dictator support. I left a B. Nganyina ko hambe mu Gambian bawo nyi mu Commonwealth nga support. Do we know what he is going to do there? It's not to our advantage. Anyway, the Ghanaian could be there, or the Chinese could be there, or the Mongolian could be there and become a better person to Gambia than a Gambian citizen. So we need to be very, very much careful here. Alinga molu jube sa ngela track record lu jube bang. Bi al Gambia la minister lu jube. Ali Dr. Sise wolu jube ali Dawda Jallo jube ba minister kana do molu nyaado Gambia no nyaado ka faniya fo moli al kana fo mole ko ha be yalo minister lon fo minister ya mu ala yal. It's not that. You see ni tangara ni yata nugo tangara ya jame condemn no tangara sonta arisanta ya la mansa kundano but tangara among Gambian ulje no matter what Gambians are undergoing through ya jamme tangara doesn't care tangara because ate bala palaso to la bala mburo ni mbota enjoy ka birembe kondona bag. So today that is haunting him. We shouldn't politicize this. We shouldn't politicize it. So I am fully supporting Madi Jobatela opinion in this, and so many people divergent opinion lenata. Some said I support because Gambia no lomo andung Tangara was not indicted by any law court because he was aiding and abetting Jammeh, but it was clear. It was clear that Tangara aided and abetted the dictator. You shouldn't be disappointed with Kex. Kex guy. Kex, they know everything, my brother. Kex guy. Kex will be seeing Gambia. Need tambira njila office ye da, so when they need something, if they want to be principal, it can mean sort of so mafoko ikafen dialade because I never witnessed that. But sometimes the behavior that is just crazy. You know? Diplomat can do be is a militano you will put in front. If Gambia really is interested in this. So nyimanke party kuti de. Altina la jang ka feel ko ha nyimu party kuolet. Nyimanke party kuti. Party kunte de. So niatra ko Tangara ila candidate ni sa withdraw no. A withdraw bang Gambia is sida job put as their candidate. He would be a very good Secretary General to Commonwealth, because that man have moral, that man have principle. You know, maybe they could say, "Go Tangara fanamuo mo sifari, but I mistake all leke." But mistake. How many years? Ibe position on yindo. How many years? What a kenola mistake what? So Tangara. Nte left to me, Gambian people, I think Nyanta Jube Kulale, people should advise Adama, and the Tangarafana advise if he could withdraw his candidature, and Gambia could put another person if the timeline Nyiman Tambi. then they do that. And the best candidate for that position might be Dr. Sidat Job. Well, that's my opinion. Today, I stand by those people. Minuli Alonko Tangarala moral issue is in question. I stand by those people strongly. Okay. Just shortly, Dorom Bengajele Adama Barrow and his delegation is in China. The ministers Ngamil Jeje, I see Demba Sabali, I see Siri Keita, and I saw Dauda Jallo. Maybe he went with more ministers, but ngani minister Sabolje mang ngawol jele. But me and Jakal Adamala China Tatu. Albe for Tibet Lomba, that Tibet company mi yalonko 35 million o Adama koyake Fatuba Barola account. Yalong nte hanisaying I have to stay by Fatuba, Molka by Fatuba na 35 million le. Fatuba man wo 35 for ma Adama Baro le kopuri akala account. It was for Adama and his people. Okay. That the same Tibet was given a multi-million contract in Nawek, in Gambia. Then alonko, ye corruption oleke to get that contract. Okay. And that Tibet company invited Adama, another delegation, and the wife for a lunch. What would they need in that country again that they would not have? Serious leaders are dealing with the Chinese government, while the unserious leaders are dealing with mafias. Gambia is dealing with mafias. For mafias, Chinese mafias to come to Gambia. Alba Jalale, ni futata, ebe mune falale about agriculture. Ebe mune falale sector to, koi ni mol minul kachata. Wala na nenanga nyinyi nkaro ke nko. Ekoye medalo di Adamala, kaitandi ko Africa most peaceful president. God, Adamale nene. So Adama's government is dealing with mafias in China. Gambia alinga feroke 2026 Adamala momi nga ba londila wakana o banko gagné ni Adama fangola kabinala o balangola nyanta kake andu ni o balango keta constitutional ma bande constitutional ma ban bar ni o balango keta na balanta aka forcer abinala or Gambian ul fanali ay tandala forcer be bondilale na carte o fay against him aita. Yes, na jarato mbe kondo na bag. Na carte o fay against him aita. Fay buka ko ni mate. Na carte o fay against him aita o ay momo fanan londi atala patiyo e. Albania e Fatuba Barrow jele. Just this oil saga mimbe keri. Ye mimfu Fatuba Barrow la koto je. Every liter she's having $50 there. Neo be Haima because he's going to have almost $3 million. What is Fatuba? Just the president's wife. Albea Jane, Fatuba Barrow, when a Nigerian millionaire ko abe mune dila la jak $1 million. But when Nigeria no sulata monera Gambia bulu. We need to be very much careful here, Gambia. Gambia is being governed by mafias. Aleo Dauda Jallo will be jele betal. Dauda Jallo atatam in China. More people are talking about draft constitution. Among Gambia no hati, they are in China hunting their per diem. But Dauda Jallo la taje, I'm a relevant shot. I'm a relevant shot. But Adama Yamutako, Dauda Jallo wolu, wole matela best technocrat solti. CD Keta wolu. Senegal, I know that when Jomai just came and then passed Adama when singing hand, Jomai is a serious leader. And Nimomo ya Korosi, this show China meeting African leaders. China found we concentrate in Senegal come back because Senegal have a very serious leader. Senegal has a very, very serious leader. China in more dole meeting okay last year. This year will TJ. And they have seen ko more dole minuli along ko will be still now will man any impact kela Bangkok. So China is not foolish. They know very well what they are doing. And for Jomai to come, I blow the more like Futa Adama Reka sound, I die. I will think. Anyway, Adama man Jomai respect. Ngamra Jomai nata Gambiale, Adama ko silinjaya danda airport. A Senegalese president. A Senegalese president. Ali alone how we Senegal diminyami. Deputy Speaker. After that deputy speaker, mi alonko atela ko bemu faniality, ala ko bemu falsoriality, ala ko bemu nafikiality. Foya mira ko Senegal malon hu Sidi Njai. Kana wala president Bula. E ka fo ko odam na airport. You think Senegal will take that thing lightly with Adam? Hanima 5 thing, but action speaks louder than voice. Action speak louder than voice. So Adama Barrow is busy there. Ibani mafia lu bendila. Prudan ko rong. Wolu sina no ya fuke be investment wolu minu kela Gambia. Even hania rata kela Gambia la advantage. Because all they want is this infrastructural development and in Kukotamon. Mobe alonko Adama and his government, they are not doing anything good for that country. Namangi corruption. So, wala na IMF, the IMF la Gambia economy is rapidly developing. Ndem along IMF la umol fani na Gambia kan national leader ya mimba. Bi dollar be 70 something, pound be 80 something, euro be 70 something against the dollars. And what more, what dollar mu jelle di Gambia $5, $6. Just few years back. Sa ni wo seletana aketa nyaaw fo nyanda tambela $30 sola Gambia. Wotumo Gambia la currency is one of the best currency in our sub-region apart from South Africa. Bi Gambia currency jube afuta nyami. Gambia currency jube ni molu mil ko etele economics leke. Ndega yalo ulu sabali modu sabali ako ha ni aje sefa sereta because magalo le kanana Senegal sefa be ye buloku Gambia kan kabirin sanju malon birate Momodu Sabal be UDP aka inflation o against bi woita NPP rek abe ke fania 40 wala na nga fonna broda e silfo bayo sonko ngai ko mbe advice lale as a brother platform ta tala demanding. If not, I will call bulle to rethink. Because ni wante bayo sonko inin Momodou Sabally benta dami bayo sonko man VAR demand Momodou Sabally la demand bari maje bayo ya itandila ko okay mbe VAR nyim bondila boddi moderator ani mo katangol milibije ibe balanta because they all know ko even that iAfrica TV is a supporting tool of Barrow. It's a supporting tool of Barrow. So ibe balanta kabayo sot ni Momodou Sabally because abe mune nyininka. Let me just mfananga try jan ni modole connect people like that lunatic Mamadi Kurang. Puruka imaja akadiamo fon easily waka because mobe yalo ndiko wo Mamadi Kurang neka findi all the time ka Momodou Sabally la call against but wolum feka funyo ko yes I'm in line with you in this because say Momodou Sabally man try UDP ite bankole je bam fete ka pati wala je ite bankole je bam fete pati wala je be Gambia the economy is doing fine. Yes, the economy is doing fine for the ministers and Itelu Milube Central Bank. It's doing fine for them because they are getting what they want. But the average Gambians cannot even have a proper 2 days meal in a day. The economy is doing fine. Gambians, we need to rethink ourselves there. Nyimmo sifal le bentala so bi ni Mansakunda e Momodou Sabally findindi ko be Momodou Sabally le sambala ka ke Gambia la palasito mi yalonko e be campaign la Gambia non le yalo e nyamama e ko ka Momodou Sabally kedi molbe mun bala e be nemfula le bondira dron barito sa mun e batna la fa tangara put la as a candidate Allah fa tangara put la as a candidate. So the government need to recheck themselves. Ika kol minulke. Ye famol jube back. So na broda bayo nga file na kachara nte na opinion na ba nka intede min muntela opinion towards you is that ko platform tala now you are exhausted. Ni wonte word that very day Momodou Sabally and nete diam la Gambia la political to correct. And bayo nyanta very strong position le tala no. Thank you. If I never cross the bill. This is what I told him. Not diam tala nga fay. I told him. Momodou Sabally ako akakumul fo bi akafo ko ntema wofo al recordo bonni. But more jele ndenga kiya la afang la box ko na te Momodou Sabally. I said it to him. Guy, look at your lies. So womo mol minulu ya lonko imang ibuka mira samala imang ethics soto imang fewo fen soto wol camera dronko nimbe position to dron I will lie and lie and lie. Tomorrow I go and dine and wine with those people. It shouldn't be like that. Gambia Fanang should be respected. Gambia should be respected. And Gambia is respected in the world before. But B, ikakumolo mili be findinina. Na economy is doing fine. Economy is doing fine. B, banku dimul bukahani manu sanno. Ali alu na moja leka manu poti suman Gambia. Mani boto 3,000 plus. Sukuru boto 2,000 plus, very close to 3,000. Tulu bidong mi along kung kasan no 700, 850. Be wo tata for 1,800, 1,900. Ika Gambian ol jo jellela. Cleaner dol be dulalto. Wala salary man tambi 2,000, 3,000. So wala apoko the basic food in that country wolte hanu wala 50 kilos annual. Ila salary ko. Munebe work in Gambia. How can the businessmen come to Gambia if Gambia, the electricity supply is bad? Alkana fo mole lafta company ti yolle najang. Andu ngab kumale moy. I'm trying to find out. Gambia Port Authority. Ngamoy poroto kulungol ka sembe dami ye karakilingo be ci kala ya di ja oel. Gambia no lal buka korosiro kede meta nyim falale nko Amidou Dia Adama Barrow Mohamed Dia Adama Barrow alila business o jube bang fo Adama dum ida nyille ka siya diala bang fo ay siya le soto je bang o fo ka kickbago le diala illegally bang. But why bi mol ke container ki ila container kulumul ka futa ibuka sembeno ikatara yanka na o ba kono weeks because of ikoy dulale reserve for Mohamed Dia oil. So other people are in a small business can to boss Gambia and woli employment like a Gambian because new container kila minuli alonko ka container ki from abroad alonko if fangol bukata de yela fangol wafi yela container bondi killing ne kata bari ye molo employ le minuli alonko wolle kela container bondi ye wolle ka business okay. It's part of employment. So ya mira ko this man sakunda man tro discourage kamba. Sa ni wala o container meta o ba kono 3 months 2 weeks 3 weeks container fonko be loring kulungo be loring abganano for sometimes kulungo dol ikatu move nal from Gambia between Gambia and Senegal for jani be sembel just because of Dia oil. Just because of Dia oil. Alimola 350 million chiga janne dollar alikali ya di Dia oil damala boy Gambian ko la koroside is Adama Barrow part of Dia oil's business? Is Adama Barrow part of Dia oil's business? Is Adama Barrow mune hatinan la procurement balu milulu ya longo niata ko department ol sulata fengol la like 100 vehicles and ku balu mune hatina ka di Mohamed Dia damala muna naka di Mohamed andum be ngajele how Mohamed Dia and Adama be how close they are because Adama the illegal akala retirement home Mohamed Dia la company le ba local and Mohamed Dia is pre-financing that. Why can we think muna tina Adama imagine ye samba China itate sindi jubur la ma because ye mimfire lundo ikayele ko yalo lawyer Dabo Kafuga tele o bridge fenke base. Now we go to China and lobby. But Lawyer Dabo is not in the position today. The Tangara is there, the foreign minister. He have to deal with it. The finance minister is there. He have to deal. When Lawyer Dabo was there, he did his own fire make soko. I grant soto. Chinese all nata minkeja. Andu nobody bafoloko. They give a kickback to Lawyer Dabo. But in Bengajele, that Tibet company, Mia Lonko, ye 35 million or put Fatuba Barola account order, which is not Fatuba's money, but it was Adama. What Tibet company got a contract with Navik, and Nataji Adama Tara China, and you will get a launch for dinner. Adama Tahakilo to laugh on over. Muna greediness munyindi. You are the president. Itene nema hani wachi mani ya famo soto. Because ni certificate holom. Hani wachi mani ya iteta nyini na Gambia. Iteke president. Nyim privilege bebe. Hani sign. Ibe hadu meri unkodola. Ibe hadu meri unkodola. Inyanteke hakilo tuba kele de. So finally, lafta al nyini nkala. Malong Milube Gambia ba Milube Gambia e banta. Laftal nyiniga. Where is the famous money minka molla dulalu boy? Because ngajele ko the second phase of the demolition is going on. Bandema money jele. Aningo ke fimba kamera. Mo fananjele. Nka wondong le ngamira wo is a police ban fabe enare leba anim fango koto ma king calling nka wolle. So where is money? Beginning Carola de Dukare more al feedback dinner. Where is money? Lamen call. Al money find out more about where is money? Yalong na nyim fale le Gambian call nko. Mansakunda be nyinke can sabotage of the local government minulia longo. They are headed by the opposition. because imalon sai be kele la nyami ko ala nyata nge kele ten Mr. Farafara nka o dam maleje yes Mr. Farafara nka o dam maleje je aning police on la side kinkol bari mammaneje and that camera ngamre camera on the other guy toti fi mani moma foko moleta sisilo ke be wafuro kela no wo manya par sila man sakunda nga fale la situation no jube ali am make so ko nyinul nyante kela nyaadi le so that it will final la life se move on barali la bagasol tal ko eta si sol kon oh, it's very sad very sad where is money oto salten dungal jayimbe danna janne mantra all right rim baake nak but natal drone to give my opinion about Tangara kaitandigo Tangara ntedal left to me Tangara shouldn't embarrass himself anyantaka withdraw le maje molbala character bondi kan because what he did to Gambian people it cannot be forgotten like that. So Tangara should see himself. I have an excuse from this. I thank you all, Ngal Tendu Ngal Jai, for another time. Allah Baraka.